Format y-axis as %. I have an existing plot that was created with pandas like this. The y-axis is format as float and I want to change the y-axis to percentages. All of the solutions I found use ax.xyz syntax, and I can only place code below the line above that creates the plot. I cannot add ax equals ax to the line above. How can I format the y-axis as percentages without changing the line above? Here is the solution I found, but requires that I redefine the plot. Link to the above solution, matplot, using percentage on x-axis. This is a few months late, but I have created PR number 6251 with matplotlib to add a new %formatter class. With this class you just need one line to reformat your axis, 2 if you count the import of matplotlib.ticker. %formatter accepts 3 arguments: smax, decimals, symbol. Smax allows you to set the value that corresponds to 100% on the axis. This is nice if you have data from 0.0 to 1.0 and you want to display it from 0% to 100%. Just do %formatter 1.0. The other 2 parameters allow you to set the number of digits after the decimal point and the symbol. They default to none and %, respectively. Decimals equals none will automatically set the number of decimal points based on how much of the axis you are showing. Update. %formatter was introduced into matplotlib proper in version 2.1.0.
Pandas data frame plot will return the ax for you, and then you can start to manipulate the axes whatever you want.
Jiangshan's solution did the job for me but broke the y-value indicator at the bottom left of the window. I ended up using funcformatter instead, and also stripped the unnecessary trailing zeros as suggested here. Generally speaking, I'd recommend using funcformatter for label formatting. It's reliable and versatile.
For those who are looking for the quick one-liner, this assumes import from matplotlib import perplot as plt Python and GT semicolon equals 3.6 for f-string formatting. For older versions, replace fx colon.0% with colon.0%.formatx.
If you want to share more, classic consider subscribing.